at this awesome puzzle. There's so many activities to do. Let's start with the numbers. Let's find out how many houses there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 houses. Good job. Now let's go through the colors. What colors are the houses? There's a purple house. There's a blue house. There's a yellow house. There's a red house. There's a green house. And there's an orange house. Yay! Awesome job! Now are we ready to unlock the houses and see who's inside? Let's start with number 1, the purple house. Number 1. Let's unlock it. And who's inside? 1 purple pony. Yay! Say bye-bye, purple pony. Lock it back up. Number 2. The blue number 2. Unlock it. And open it up and see who's inside. There's 2 blue dogs. 1 and 2. 2 blue dogs. How cute. Say bye-bye, blue dogs. Let's go to number 3. The yellow number 3 house. Unlock it and see what's inside. 3 yellow cats. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow cats. Yay! Can we say bye-bye to the 3 yellow cats? Bye-bye. Let's lock it back up. Let's go to number 4. The red number 4 house. Let's unlock it and see who's inside. There's 4 red rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red rabbits. How cool is that? Can we say bye-bye to the red rabbits? Bye-bye. Let's make sure to lock it back up. Let's go to number 5. The green number 5 house. And unlock it. Let's open it up and see who's inside. Look, There's 5 green frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 green frogs. How cool is that? Can we say bye-bye to the 5 green frogs? Bye-bye. Make sure to lock it back up. Now let's move on to number 6. The orange number 6 house. Let's open it up and see who's inside. There's 6 orange fish. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 orange fish. How exciting! Can we say bye-bye to the 6 orange fish? Bye-bye. Shut their door and close it. How exciting was that? Are you ready to count again with me? Let's count the doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Now let's open them and count the people inside. 1 purple pony. Hello, Mr. Pony. 2 blue dogs. Hello, 2 blue dogs. 3 yellow cats. Hello, 3 yellow cats. 4 red rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 4 red rabbits. 5 green frogs. Hello, 5 green frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! 5 green frogs. Bye-bye, frogs. Now 6. 6 orange fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 orange fish. Yay! It's been so exciting counting and opening the doors with you today. I sure do enjoy playing with the toys. And I hope you do too. It's so exciting learning new colors and numbers. Now it's time for everyone to play. Yay! Yay! Can we open all the doors? Yay! Now can we close all the doors? Can we close them? Let's close them. Yay! Good job! Who doesn't love playing with their toys and